Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change your profile picture on Temu. To change your profile picture for your Temu account using the Temu mobile application, first of all launch open Temu from your app drawer. Once you launch open the Temu application, go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. From the U menu, tap on your username at the top left, and then this will open up your profile page. Tap on the pencil icon right next to your name at the top of the screen, and then tap on the photo option. Take a photo from your camera by tapping on Take Photos and following the prompts. To choose an existing picture from your gallery, tap on Choose Existing Photo. Now pick one of the images you'd like to use as your profile picture, and then adjust the picture like how you'd want it to appear on your profile and click on Done at the top right. And after a couple of seconds, you will be able to change or upload your profile picture for Temu. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.